Most people dream about making money online, maybe with YouTube, maybe drop shipping. But do you know that with no inventory, no shipping, no customers yelling at you, you can still make money while you sleep? Just pure passive income. And this is how everyday people are turning simple digital files into full-time income. Let me show you how to actually build a business that pays better than your 9-to-5 job. What exactly is a digital product? It's anything that can be sold online that customers can download instantly. Digital planners, printable checklists, Canva templates, ebooks, digital journals, social media bundles, these aren't just random digital files. They're solutions to problems people are actively searching for and willing to pay good money to solve. The power of digital products can't be overstated. While most online business models require constant attention, digital products work differently. Create once, sell forever. The math is simple and absolutely mind-blowing. A $10 digital planner created in January can still be generating income in December. No restocking, no customer service headaches, no shipping delays. Anyone wondering about startup costs? Try 20 cents. That's right, 20 pennies to list a product on Etsy. Compare that to the thousands needed for inventory in a physical product business. This isn't just low cost, it's practically no cost. And for those who've been holding back from starting an online business because of financial constraints, that excuse just vanished. But here's where things get confusing for many would-be entrepreneurs. Digital products are not the same as digital marketing. Digital marketing means promoting products often someone else is using ads, funnels, and complicated systems. Digital products mean actually creating and owning downloadable assets that solve real problems for real people. You see, a major trap needs addressing. The digital product world has become infiltrated with a particular scheme that reeks of pyramid structure. It works like this. Someone sells a course on how to make money with digital products, and the only product they teach buyers to create is the exact same course to sell to others. If that sounds like a pyramid scheme, that's because it basically is one. This creates a marketplace flooded with identical products where nobody's actually helping customers solve real problems. Everyone's just trying to convince others to join the cycle. That's not passive income, that's actively hustling to find new buyers for recycled content. Real digital product businesses don't work this way. For those serious about this business model, picking a profitable niche becomes absolutely critical. The most successful digital product creators think strategically by finding genuine problems and creating solutions. The best approach? Look at personal knowledge, interests, and experiences. What problems has the creator already solved for themselves that others might be struggling with too? Several niches consistently perform exceptionally well in the digital product space. Small business tools like social media templates, business planners, and content calendars sell like hotcakes because they solve real pain points for entrepreneurs. Education products, lesson plans, study guides, academic planners provide massive value to teachers and students alike. Lifestyle products including wellness journals, budgeting spreadsheets, and fitness trackers help people organize their lives. Event and design items such as wedding invitations, baby shower games, and party printables capitalize on special moments people want to make memorable. For beginners, Etsy stands out as the perfect platform to start selling. Why? Etsy comes with built-in traffic and trust. No need to build a website from scratch or spend thousands on advertising to get noticed. People already visit Etsy specifically looking for unique, handmade, and yes, digital products. The platform's search algorithm helps connect products with interested buyers, and the setup process couldn't be simpler. Pay a few cents to list a product, and it's live for the world to see. The process of going from idea to income follows a straightforward path. Choose a niche that aligns with personal knowledge or interests. Create a useful product that genuinely solves a problem. Upload it to Etsy with strategic keywords. Let Etsy's algorithm connect the product with people already searching for solutions. No advanced technical skills required, just a clear solution in downloadable format. But creating the product represents only half the equation. The mindset behind successful digital product businesses differentiates those who make a few dollars from those who build sustainable income streams. True digital product entrepreneurs stay solution-focused. They're not just selling files, they're solving problems. They maintain consistency, understanding that more quality listings unlock greater income potential. And they operate with integrity, never copying or reselling unethical material. The beauty of this business model lies in its simplicity and scalability. Anyone can start small with a single product that solves a real problem. As that product generates income, they can reinvest time into creating additional solutions. Each new product adds to the growing passive income stream. A digital product business with 10 products generates income 24/7, 365 without requiring constant attention or maintenance. Let's say you are a teacher who creates digital lesson planners. After spending years developing organizational systems for your classroom, you realized other teachers struggled with the same problems. Instead of keeping these solutions to yourself, you can package your knowledge into downloadable templates. Starting with a single $15 lesson planner, you can expand to grade trackers, classroom management tools, and parent communication templates. Your initial 20-cent investment can grow into a 5-figure side business, all while maintaining your teaching career. Or consider the college student who turned financial struggle into opportunity. Forced to master extreme budgeting, they created spreadsheets to track expenses and maximize limited resources. After graduating, they transformed these personal tools into digital products. Their budget trackers, debt payoff planners, and saving guides now generate passive income that help them eliminate their student loans entirely. These aren't isolated success stories. Everyday people from all walks of life, stay-at-home parents, corporate employees, retirees, have discovered the power of packaging knowledge into digital products. The common thread: they identified problems they were uniquely positioned to solve, created valuable solutions, and leveraged platforms like Etsy to connect with buyers. For those wondering about technical requirements, the bar remains surprisingly low. Basic computer skills and access to free tools like Canva provide everything needed to create professional-looking products. No coding knowledge, no graphic design degree, no expensive software subscriptions. Just the ability to organize information in a user-friendly, downloadable format. The technical side of delivery remains remarkably simple. When someone purchases a digital product on Etsy, the platform handles payment processing and file delivery automatically. The buyer receives instant access to their download, and the seller receives payment without lifting a finger. This automation creates true passive income, money that flows in whether the creator is working, sleeping, or vacationing. Speaking of vacations, digital product businesses offer unparalleled lifestyle flexibility. Unlike physical product businesses that require constant inventory management or service businesses that demand consistent availability, digital product businesses can generate income during extended absences. Many creators report earning more during 2-week vacations than during normal working periods, simply because they're not distracted by creation and can focus entirely on enjoying their freedom. For those ready to dip their toes into this business model, think about a single high-quality product that solves a specific problem. Focus on creating genuine value rather than chasing trends or copying competitors. Use clear, descriptive titles and keywords that help potential customers find the solution. Include detailed descriptions explaining exactly how the product solves the problem and what buyers will receive. And most importantly, deliver a product that exceeds expectations. Positive reviews become the most powerful marketing tool. To build sustainable income, consistency trumps perfection. Rather than spending months perfecting a single product, create a solid solution and move on to the next. The marketplace provides valuable feedback that guides future creation. Products that sell well indicate unmet needs worth exploring further. Those that underperform offer lessons for improvement. The most successful digital product creators develop systems for regular creation. They might dedicate one weekend monthly to product development or block off Tuesday evenings for digital product work. This consistent effort compounds over time, building a valuable catalog that generates income for years to come. And unlike many other business models, digital product businesses improve with age. A physical product eventually wears out. A service business requires constant effort to maintain, but digital products, once created, continue generating income indefinitely. Many creators report their oldest products remain their best sellers years after creation. So for those ready to escape the time for money trap and build something that generates income while they sleep, digital products offer a legitimate pathway. Start small, solve real problems, build consistently, and watch as income grows from passive streams that work around the clock without requiring constant attention. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building smart income streams that respect time and leverage knowledge. For those ready to take the first step, remember, the best digital products don't just make money. They make a difference by solving genuine problems for real people. And that's the real power of digital products, turning knowledge into income while helping others overcome challenges. No inventory, no shipping, no storage, just valuable solutions delivered instantly to people willing to pay for them. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. And if you're serious about building something that prints income while you sleep, then the next step is clear. There's a channel out there pulling in $20,000 a month, and I studied it, cloned it, and broke down every move they made. So watch this next video where I walk you through the exact steps so you can build your own from scratch, even if you're starting at zero. Until then, see you in the next video.